Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Songbird populations can grow fast, so let's calculate the net growth for this massive group of birds in Europe using simple subtraction and multiplication. First, we need to find the net change for every group of 1,000 birds by subtracting the 1,200 deaths from the 1,500 births occurring during the year. This leaves a net increase of 300 birds per 1,000. Divide 300 by 1,000 to find the per capita growth rate of 0.3. Finally, multiply the 0.3 rate by the total population of 130 million birds to get 39 million. Option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.